Alright, snacks at a county fair are sold in containers shaped like a cone or a cylinder. The dimensions of each container are shown in the drawing. Which statement about the volumes of the cone and the cylinder is true? Alright, so we're going to have to find the volume of each of these shapes. So you're going to need your handy dandy reference material. So we're going to find the volume of a cone. So we're going to look in the volume section, and the volume of the cone is 1/3 big BH. Big B is the area of the base. For a cone, my base is the circle. So I'm going to have to look up here to find big B. In my area formulas, my base is a circle. So my big B is going to be this pi r squared. Okay, so this is a cylinder, this is a cone. So volume is equal to 1/3 big BH. My base is a circle, so I'm going to trade this out with the area formula for area of a circle, pi r squared. So this is 1/3 pi r squared times the height of the cylinder. I have a radius of 4. It's going halfway across the circle. The height of my cone is 12. So I have 1/3 pi radius of 4 squared times that height of 12. Just replace out the numbers with the variables. Use your handy dandy calculator. Alpha y equal and enter will give you that fraction. So I could put in 1/3, arrow over. For pi is second and the caret button, times 4, and it's going to be squared, so I need that x squared button, and then times that height of 12, and that's about 201. So the volume of the cone is about 201 and 6/10, 600ths. And we're approximating. Okay, so then we need to find out the volume of the cylinder. So I need my handy dandy reference material again. The volume of the cylinder is big B times H. My big B is my area of my base. My base of the cylinder is a circle. So I have to look up here for my big B formula, which is the area formula of a circle, pi r squared. So since this is a circle base and I'm replacing it with the area formula of a circle and then multiplying by the height. So the only difference in the two formulas is I don't have to multiply by 1/3 because this is a cylinder. So I have pi, I have a radius of 3, it gets squared. The height of my cylinder is 8. Put all of that in your handy dandy calculator. So second and caret gives me pi times 3, it gets squared, so I use the x squared button, and times 8. So that volume is about 226 and 1900ths. Alright, so I found the volume of the cone and the volume of the cylinder. So which statement about the volumes of the cone and the cylinder is true? The volume of the cylinder is about 377 cubic inches greater than the volume of the cone. Well, they're only about 20 difference, so no. The volume of the cylinder is about 377 less. Well, they're within about 20 of each other, so no. Okay, the volume of the cylinder is about 25 cubic inches greater than the volume of the cone, or the volume of the cylinder is 25 cubic inches less than the volume of the cone. And most of you that got this one wrong picked B, So I'm thinking you probably didn't divide your cone by 3, and that would have given you, this would have been about 600, and then that would have been about the 377. So you probably forgot to multiply by 1/3. All right, but we have 226 and 201. That's about a difference of 25. So the cylinder is the 226, and the cone is the 201. So the 226 is greater. So that's going to be answer choice C.